are our species. Then see, all the species here, they have been done. Every character is analyzed, and there are 24 species you can see, right? Now, this is Vigna dalgina. This is Vigna dalgina, which is very close to Vigna umbellata. You see the seed and this one. This can be taken breeding program. It has flowers which are crystal flowers which grow subterranean. These are minor observations, but they have we have interest. See this Vigna khandaensis. This is one species which grows to 2-meter height. Vigna species, have you seen 2-meter height? And its diameter of stem is 1 inch. It is the broadest species in the entire world. But we have not used it anywhere. And you see the stipule, such a large stipule. These are the seeds. Okay. And it is closely related to Enia. See this, I think this is a Vigna subterranea. Now I have gone to this Hyderabad center of Indian Gujarat. I could see this species. You see this species? See the flowers? And this is one crop just like our moong matki udar in Africa. We don't like, but they grow like this. It looks like a groundnut fruit, and these are the fruits. So this is one species which is introduced in our country, right? Huh? One or two seeds. It is very unique species in our country, but our people don't like it. I don't know. Taste and so Vigna. Now I will tell you, Vigna stipulacea, Vigna trilobata, Vigna aconitiflorea have been identified in almost all floras published during last 45 decades wrongly. I am saying it with some proof. Okay, Vigna stipulacea, the introduced species, is widely distributed in agriculture fields. Okay, I will show you. Now see this one. I am showing you. Now see, this is the Vigna aconifolia seeds you can see. Right? This is Vigna, our stipulacea. This is Vigna indica. This is Vigna trilobata. Now this is the distributor. I will show why students have made mistakes. Or I have also made mistakes. Not only students, I cannot blame students only. See, it has trilobal leaves, and those seeds. This has trilobal leaves, right? This has trilobal leaves. This has trilobal leaves. You see, very difficult to distribute. Only by quality. So which we are bound to go wrong in identification, and that way, I am sure. Now, these seeds, will you go wrong? Many times we don't collect seeds. Just we bring seed, trilobal leaves, trilobata. Finish. So this should not happen. And you know, this species, which is growing from Delhi to Kanyakumari, was wrongly identified either as a trilobata, stipulacea, or aconitiflorea. It was a distinct species. This is my observation. Okay. So now you see, this is Vigna stipulacea, aconitiflorea, Vigna radiata, Vigna trilobata. Even this first leaf, cotyledonary leaves, give some taxonomic characters. Somebody can do with that. You just see the stipules, differences in stipules, leaves, right? Then beak of the style, right? So anyway, now Vigna sylvestris and Vigna sayadrica. Now see, I am showing both the photo together, and this is a newly described species which has a lot of importance in plant breeding, right? So see the Vigna sayadriana and Vigna sylvestrica. Now, unless you are critical, it will not be possible for students. You see this, hairs and that micrometry and so on. Anyway, I have to go first. Anyway, see this seeds. I love it. Trilobata. When I collected, I was so happy, and my confusion was removed. See the, hilum and that ari, which is very. Now cytology, which is another field. Taxonomy, they should do little bit cytology. I am up to that field. Reason is, this is the Vigna glabrescens has 40 crore of 24 chromosomes. All others have 22. All Indian 25 species have 22 chromosomes. So that is also important. Somebody should do. And hybridization, of course, it is done by group. I will come to that. And this process has been done. This is NBPJRI in collaboration with NBPJRI. Now they are struggling to get genes, struggling to get characters of agronomic importance. But they are not good at taxonomy, they don't know the population. We are the people, we know all the populations, we know their characters, but we never note down characters of agricultural importance. So this way they are doing and introducing some characters. Seed micrometry. So these are the characters. Of course, I don't understand this, Professor Pandey can tell us, but anyway, any Ambulata, Cerulobata, these are close, initial species, close related to African species, and then Mungo, in more advanced species as far as molecular studies are concerned, which is in collaboration with. Okay, so this is the molecular studies. Asiatic and African have different paths. Heniana appears closer to Radiata and Mungo. Is closer to Aconitifoliata group. Unguiculata and its have an evolution mechanism different from Ceratocrotis group. These are the conclusions. Okay. Why I have given Ganesha? We are students of science and you will ask me. Ganesha. Vigna. Karta, Vigna, Harta. Okay. Vigneshwar. And generic name is Vigna. And for every taxonomy, this genus is Vigna. Difficult to sort out the problems, and that's why Vigna Harta Ganesh. Only after praying Ganesh, you start working on Vigna. And I should tell you, young people, even somebody takes Vigna as a career for his whole life there will not be dearth of research problems in Vigna. It is a very important crop. 4-5 crops we grow in India, and this genus needs more and more extensive study from different angles. That way, and collection of population. So this is, you can see all those Vignas, and then you see, we taxonomies, Yadav, when we collect, if it sees, it will say it is a rock. Okay. Somebody else sees this one, he will say it is a tree. Everybody has different opinion. And very rarely we come to, somebody says it should be split into 2 genera. Somebody says, no, it is one genus. It should be treated as a subspecies. So this will go on because every concept, taxon is a concept which changes from time to man, and therefore it changes. So to solve a problem, I open, make ends meet, taxonomy and genomics together, we should work. That is also equally important, right? Now, in this work, whole work, I must acknowledge, this was a World Bank funded project, an IAAT project, I should say, and that was given to NBPJRI, but they were not having taxonomy. So our school was taken as a partner. You can see Lata from textbook, Ramarao, who is a psychologist from Nehru University, Srikant Sutar student, Joseph John, who is another taxonomy from NBPJRI, K.V. Bhatt, he was the leader. These are the students. Sure, Malik is the NBPJRI. All this I appreciate. Whatever I have shown is part was taxonomy, but they have done this. This work is funded by National Agriculture Innovation Project, ICAAT, and I am thankful to UP. So, when I gave lecture in NBPJRI, director got up. I gave left and right to scientists, and then director gave up. He said, Yadav, we will pay you money. Will you work a consultant? He asked me to calm down. I told him, NBPJRI is my institute, it is a national institute. Every taxonomist of this country should deposit at least a germplasm which is of agricultural importance in NBPJRI. This is my one request to all the taxonomists because that will go for utilization. and they are not good. And then I told, I get my salary, I don't need money. Okay? So that should be the way of looking at our subject, helping our national institute in their class of collection, conservation, and so on. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. That was a very illustrative as well as informative presentation. I will invite our session chairperson to thank you as well as felicitating you. Sir.
Good afternoon, sorry. Now I can say that good evening now? Okay. So now I'm really thankful to Professor Yadav. Yadav has already introduced two particular points. One, that now as a young taxonomist, where we have to move. And the second, how to talk about our own diversity in our own region and think about that complete assessment and accession numbers which we have collected and please deposit it in PPTRI. But at the same time, two particular points I'm really got interested from his presentation is, on one side, in the number of universities, economic botany as a paper never taught the way Professor Yadav has explained. Economic botany has always been taught like just one particular way, that okay, this is coffee Arabica, it is already been made like this and consumption and its price is this and that is always going to be. So like that it has been taught. That's even I was studying at that time. I have learned. When 1 year I got an opportunity to teach, I taught it and then I left it. So in one way, two particular points we have to see that okay, the passport data can be introduced in our own herbarium sheet. That is the nude question we can decide. So what is the opinion about that? You people can give it in general body also, no problem. So these are my views. Now the detailing views will be given by the co-chair. So I am really thankful to Professor S.R. Yadav. I am really thankful to Professor K.M. Gandhi or Dr. K.M. Gandhi. Okay, so it's really nice to meet you, all of you, and sit here. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to our chairperson. Sir, please wait for a little while. I'm talking to our chairperson, sir, please. So now I will request the organizing secretary, Dr. Devjyoti Bhattacharya, to felicitate our chairperson as well as co-chairperson. So with this, the technical session 2 is now closed. Okay, so we will, because we are running really late, we will start the technical session 3 immediately and tea will be served in the hall itself. Yeah. Those who have got the parallel session lecture may move to your respective venues. Wherever.
সাইড পেয়ে ঠিক করতে হবে